Programming one remote to operate one base. When you get your Prodigy 2.0 adjustable base home, it will be factory programmed for one remote control to operate one base. If reprogramming is required, perform the following steps. Unplug the adjustable base from the power source, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Remove the battery door from the remote control. Position the base on its side and locate the control box. Using a pointed object, push in the reset button twice in rapid succession. The underbed lighting will come on. On the remote control, press and hold the Learn switch until the underbed lighting goes off. The remote is now programmed to operate the base. Programming one or two remotes to operate two bases. If you would like to operate two bases in tandem, perform the following steps. Make sure both remotes are in press and hold mode and both bases are flat. Unplug both bases. Turn both bases on their sides in close proximity to each other. We recommend at least two people handle and move the adjustable bases. Locate the dual sync cable. On base 1, unplug the existing cable from the control box and insert one male plug of the dual sync cable. Insert the removed cable into the female plug of the dual sync cable. Repeat with base 2 using the remaining male and female plugs of the dual sync cable. Turn both bases over so they're resting on their legs. Plug both bases into the electrical power source and operate them with the remote controls. When you get your Prodigy 2.0 adjustable base home, it will be factory programmed for press and hold operation. If you would like to switch to one-touch operation, perform the following steps. Adjust the base to the flat position. Simultaneously press the head massage down and foot massage down buttons on either of the remotes until the massagers and underbed lights turn on and off. When in one-touch mode, the custom buttons will adjust to the program position with one touch. The flat button will shut off the massage motor, if active, and adjust the base to the level position. Press any other button to stop the base during movement. To revert back to factory settings, simultaneously press and hold the set button and the flat button on either remote until the massagers and underbed lights turn on and off. To operate base 1 with remote control 1 and base 2 with remote control 2, so that the bases move independently, perform the following steps. Make sure both bases are flat. Unplug both bases from the electrical power source. Turn both bases on their sides in close proximity to each other. We recommend at least two people handle and move the adjustable bases. Locate the control boxes on both bases and the dual sync cable. Remove the male plugs of the sync cable from each base's control box. Remove the cables from the female plugs of the dual sync cable and plug them into each base's control box. Remote 1 should operate base 1 and Remote 2 should operate base 2 once both bases are plugged into a working electrical outlet.